So, it's love at first sight, the one that made your heart skip a beat. You know, maybe it was the charmer, the one needing a little bit of work, or maybe it was the one who got away. No, I'm not talking about a love match today. I'm talking about your house hunting journey. However, finding your dream home can be similar to finding your partner. And the more you think about it, the more you will see the similarities between finding the right person and finding your dream home. Both take time and patience and a little effort and even a few heartbreaks before settling down and finding that perfect match. Today I'm going to tell you 4 ways house hunting is like dating. Number 1, what you see online is not always what you get. Whether it's a home or a person, you can only tell so much by looking at photos. And listing photos are pretty much like dating profiles. Sometimes what you see online isn't always what you get. There may be houses that look best in photographs, but may be disappointing in person, whereas there may be others that have terrible pictures and look terrible online, but they have incredible character and bones. The point is you have to keep an open mind and consider the potential. Number 2, you need to know what you want, but at the same time, you need to be prepared to compromise. When it comes to finding the one, you need to remember that there's no perfect house and there's no perfect partner. You're not going to find a 100% match. That is why it's very important that you need to understand what you want versus what you need. Just think, when you first started dating, you might have started looking for tall, dark and handsome, and funny and smart. But dating someone for their looks might be fun at first, but without substance, you're not going to build a good relationship. And the same is true when you're looking for your home. You might find a home with a beautiful front porch or a huge backyard. But if you're missing that extra bedroom or the extra storage for the family, and if it doesn't fit your needs, however beautiful it may be, you may end up regretting it in the long run. That is why you must be prepared to make a list of your priorities before you ever start your home search. When a home has at least 85% of your must-haves, you might need to compromise that other 15%. All right, number 3. You've got to do your background research. Whether it's a person or a property, you need to do some hardcore research on your potential match. Don't be deceived by their appearance alone, especially before buying a house. Now, there are several ways that you can go about doing your research. You can explore the neighborhood at different times of the day or different times during the week. You can go to the neighborhood restaurants and stores and check them out. You can also go by and talk to potential neighbors. You can check out the quality of the schools. You can also check the crime rates in the areas. And you can do a history search on the house. If anything feels out of the ordinary or you question anything, you can always talk to your realtor and get some advice. Number 4, you can't rush such a big decision. Like relationships, buying a home is a big commitment. Unless your house hunt is urgent, you should not rush such a big life decision. The reality of it is it's going to take some time and effort to find the perfect one. For starters, viewing properties is very time consuming and it takes a lot of patience. In this market, homes are getting snatched up before the properties can even be updated online. You might be able to send a purchase offer in, but there is so much competition that oftentimes it ends up in bidding wars. And that is why it is important to prepare yourself and not get too invested too quickly, because it could lead to several house hunting heartbreaks. There are not many fish in the sea because of low inventory, but you have to trust the process. If you are strategic with your house hunt and strategic with your offer, and if you have an experienced realtor on your side, you will be able to find the right home at the right time. I am Nancy Walsh with Century 21, and if you are thinking about buying a home in the Charleston area, I would love to help you out and represent you and help you find and buy your new home. Please give me a call or send me a text. I would love to connect with you. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope it helped. Have a great day, and I hope to see you on my next video. Take care.